Hawaii volcano eruption causes earthquake from Kilauea collapse explosion. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano has caused tremors equivalent to a magnitude 5.2 earthquake as a result of a collapse explosion event, according to the United States Geological Survey, USGS. But it did not cause a tsunami threat. According to the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, there were 500 quakes in the summit area of Kilauea in a 24-hour period over the weekend. According to supervisory geophysicist at the USGS Brian Shiro, this was the highest rate ever measured at the summit area. On Tuesday, a gas explosion at the Halemormo crater of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano generated energy equivalent to a 5.3 earthquake, the Hawaiian Volcanoes Observatory, HVO, reported.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.